Changes to the website during December. I have been trying to improve the user experience when using the website. The main navigation has focused on using the main painting categories. The menus have been simplified and the concept of tags has been introduced. The Tag Cloud. This is a new feature that allows you to select the artwork by using a list of tags. The tags option is available on the sidebar menu shown on most pages of the website. From the home page, click on any painting category. When you select a tag, the display will show the artwork associated with the tag word. The larger the text size, the more frequently the tag has been used. The tag title and the number of results is shown here. The layout buttons at the lower right of the panel allow you to pick your preferred display layout. Grid view is more compact than the list view, which also displays some descriptive text about the paintings. If there are more than 12 results, then the display will be split into multiple pages. Scroll to the bottom of the page to see the page control buttons. Artwork collections. Artwork collections take the use of tags a step further. The paintings have now been classified into two collections: original artwork and printed artwork. They can be found on the sidebar menu within the print collection or original collection drop-down menus. The previous, more rigid method of accessing the paintings is using the collections menu. It allows access to the painting categories, or collections. Click the collections option will take you to the collections page. Clicking the individual links below offers slightly quicker access. Filter and sorting. The all printed artwork and all original artwork options on the menu will display a new page with the filter and sort options. Clicking filter and sort your selection will display the list of tags and the sorting options. You can select as many tags as you want. The paintings that have been classified using the chosen tags will be displayed when you click filter. Using this feature allows you to see multiple tags at the same time. You can change the sort order using the sort drop-down. And the number of paintings displayed on a page using the posts drop-down. Clicking reset will clear all the selected tags. I hope you find the new features useful, and if you want additional tags added to classify the paintings, just drop me a line with your suggestions.